Hi friends, how are you? Check out our alphabet. We are almost there. A few more days and we are going to have it filled. What do you say we get started? Okay. First off, let's practice the ones we've already done. A apple A. B bat B. C cat K. D dog D. E ed E. F fun F. G game G. H hat H hat I itch I. J jug J. K kite K. L lamp L. M man M. N nut N. O octopus Ah. P pan P. R rat S snakes. T top T. U up Excellent job. Who's ready to see the next letter? Please hold. Mama Echo is going to fly over and help me get them. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready for her to reveal them? Mama, please, they're ready. What do you mean, no? Okay, pretty please with a cherry on top? Ah, phew. Okay, here's our letter. It's a W. In the picture, see that cloud? He's blowing out a bunch of wind. So this is a picture of wind. And the sound is W. Let's try it. W wind W. Excellent. Oh yeah, I see the wind outside too. And I don't like it. It blows things everywhere. Blah. Oh well. We need our standard card to put up here. Mama Echo, can you fly over and get the standard card? Dun, ta-da! Here it is. Thanks, Mama Echo. Where does the W go? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, no, R, S, T, U, V, W. There it is. Let's try it again. W, wind, W. And what's supposed to go here? T, U, V comes before W. And guess what? V is our next letter today. And our picture is a van. The sound is V. You bite that lip and you feel it vibrate. It tickles my lip. Try it with me. V. V, 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 V. Okay, let's add up our standard card. Here's the V right there. Let's practice it. V, van, V. Beautiful job, everybody. Just beautiful. Now, did you know that the V and the W are both going to be plain line slide letters? Do you know that song, The Electric Slide? It's like slide to the left, slide to the right. Well, you'll notice that the V and the W will both slide when we write them. But before we write them, we're just going to sing our vowels with Baby Echo. Here we go. Remember, we sing the vowels because they're all open mouth sounds and we can stretch them out. Here we go. Watch how my mouth's open. A, apple, A. E, ed, eh. I, itch, if. O, octopus, ah. U, Beautiful job. And now for the writing of our letters of the day. Okay. First, you'll do your sky writing, but I just want to show you on the whiteboard exactly what it looks like so that you can visualize it while you skywrite. Okay, I will do the bigger side to show you so you can see it better at home. Here's what you'll do. You'll point to the plane line. You'll slide down to the grass line. And then you'll slide up to the plane line. V, van, v. I'm going to do another one. Slide down, slide up, slide, slide. All right, let's skywrite. Straight arms, 2 fingers out. Picture it as you're writing. Repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. V, van, v. Beautiful, beautiful job. Now do me a favor. Go grab your whiteboards and let's do one together. I'm going to do this side because I feel confident in my V. I think I can do it a little bit smaller. Okay. Point to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. V, van, v. Go ahead and do a whole row. V, van, v. V, van, v. V, van, v. Pause it if you want to do some more and then come back to me. You're back. Show me your best V. Give it a nice circle. Oh, and then take your hand like this and give yourself a pat on the back for doing such a nice job with those plain line slide letters. Okay, I'm going to erase my V's. And the W is very similar. Let me do the big side. Point to the plane line. We slide to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. And slide up to the plane line. W, wind, W. It's a lot of sliding. You guys got that? Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. W, wind, W. Okay, let's try right. 2 fingers up, keep it straight. What color shooting out? Rainbow today for sure. Here we go, guys. Repeat after me. And you don't need to look at the screen for this. You should be looking in the sky and seeing your letters in rainbow colors. Point to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. Slide down to the grass line. Slide up to the plane line. W, wind, W. Fantastic. Grab your whiteboards for me and let's do one together and then you can do a whole row. Point to the plane line, slide down to the grass line, slide back up to the plane line, slide down to the grass line, slide back up to the plane line. W, wind, W. Go ahead and do your whole row. Pause it here so you can really do them. Take your time. Wow, you're back. Show me your favorite. Circle, circle, circle it, please. Bada bing, bada bing. I like that one. Sometimes my W's were looking a little too wide. Okay. Time for us to practice writing and finding all different letters. So come on back over here with me, guys. Let's move these vowels out of our way. Okay. And here we go. What letter says B? Say B. Good, write the letter. Take your time. It is a skyline letter. It starts up in the sky, goes down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, and go around to the grass. B, bat, B. B says B. Good. Repeat after me. K. What letters say K? There's 2 of them. Can you write them both? Check yours tonight. Do they look nice and neat? If you need to practice either of those letters, pause here and practice some more. What letter says V? Write the letter that says V. V like van. I have a van. Good. What letter says S? Write the letter that says S. What's the letter's name? S. Very good. What letter says eh, 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 eh. Write the letter that says eh. Remember, it's a special letter because it flies, it goes in between the plain line and the grass line, and then it flies across. E, ed, eh. Okay, one more, my friends. What letter says J? Write the letter that says J. Good. Make sure it goes all the way down to that worm line. It's our only letter we've done so far that goes to the worm line. Pretty cool. I love worms, especially gummy worms, especially the red ones. Okay, you know what time it is now? We are going to add our 2 new slide letters to our notebooks. So grab your student notebook and some things to color with. And let's find the V and the W. They're both yellow. So what kind of letters are they? Consonants. Very good. Anybody find either of them yet? Yeah, they're on the same page. They're both on page 6. Okay, so what is this letter's name? V. What's the keyword? Van. And what sound does it make? V. Good. Let's do the W. Point to the W. What's the letter's name? W. Good. What's the keyword? Wind. And what's the sound? W. Great. Color the van and the wind. And that will be all for today, my friends. Take care. Bye. Wait, Mama wants to say bye too. Don't go yet. Who did their best today? Who? I bet it was you.